yun, binigay ko talaga sa kanya yung buong salary ko.
So, ever since na you finished college, of course, you have your first job. How did you handle your first salary, or how did you manage your income, your own money?
So nung grumaduate ako, my first salary, I really gave it to my grandmother. Kasi, 'di ba, parang siya talaga yung dahilan kung bakit ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral, silang dalawa ng lolo ko, with our small restaurant, na itaguyod nila kami. And yun, binigay ko talaga sa kanya yung buong salary
Buong
ko.
salary.
Yes. And after that, of course, I was able to save up. And yun din yung savings na inalat ko. Kasi ang goal ko nun is to have my my own properties. Yun na talaga yung pinakaunang goal. Pero syempre parang ang laki, 'di ba? Milyon yung
Mm.
kailangan mo for a property. Ang ginawa ko, in-enjoy ko siya. Hindi lahat, syempre. Kumbaga, there's a portion na ito pang property na pangarap ko. Then, may portion na ini-enjoy ko siya sa travel. Kasi mahilig ako mag-travel.